Today I'm hiking in the Gran Paradiso, Italy. So yesterday I was riding my bike, also in the same place. I went up called Del Nivolet. But today I'm just climbing on the other side of the mountains. It's a climb called Jervis. So let's see where we end up. The weather, yeah, it's a bit cloudy, but it was also the forecast for today. But I hope we get some nice views, take some pictures, and just enjoy the nature here. The views here, they're amazing, really nice with the orange yellowish colors combined with the green, and then the grayish brownish tones of the trees and the mountains, the rocks. So it's definitely a paradise to walk here. So I'm still climbing. It's going good. It's not that steep. A lot of like stair-like stones. So let's see where we end up. I think I just reached Jervis. Thanks to this little village here. Great mountains around it, but the goal now is actually to go up there at the little top. At least I hope this trail leads to that, and I probably have a nice view of them there. So let's go. It's really beautiful here. I've been walking in like solitude for a while, so it's been really nice. I kind of feel a bit like a Hobbit character, or a character out of Lord of the Rings, walking in these sceneries with my walking cane. So it's really nice. I'm only curious where this trail leads to, but let's see. So I just proceeded a bit with the trail, but I think it's going down from here. So I've decided just to go back, follow the trail back, and then make my way to the van, because it's already 4:30 or 3:30. So let's do that.